Hi, I'm Sammy. This is my finished refrigerator pad. This was my main project, and so this project was actually my sister's idea. It wasn't in the project book, and I really like this idea because it was something that's very practical, and also I hadn't seen any documented projects like this online, so I thought I had the opportunity to really prove myself and try to do everything from scratch. So what this does is you put food items on it, or I'm using placeholders, just random tools, and it uses these weight sensors down here to keep track of the weight on each quadrant of the pad, and whenever it gets near empty or it's running low, then it will update a grocery list on a website that I developed. So this is all made out of polycarbonate sheets. It's sturdy material, it's a little thick, and then I have the Flexifor sensors down here, which are taped down and also epoxied and super glued to the bottom polycarbonate, and also to these PVC caps, which I'm using as columns in order to direct the weight onto the sensor. Then more polycarbonate up here, and if you look at this circuit over here on this breadboard, I basically made voltage divider circuits for each sensor using 1 mega ohm resistors, and then I wired it all up to this MCP3008 analog to digital converter, and that sends the data to the Raspberry Pi I have over here through SPI. So the Raspberry Pi is actually running a script 24/7, which checks for emails from the website which I developed, because that's the mechanism that they communicate with each other. So if you can see the website, this was made on Google App Engine, so I was able to write it all in Python and some basic HTML. So it's very simple. You have a grocery list, which you can see right now is empty, and there's the pads menu, which shows you what you currently have on each pad and allows you to update it, and it also shows some previously used items. So I'm going to do a little demonstration here. I'm going to tell the website that I'm putting some things on the pad. This is pad 1, 2, 3, and 4, so I'll update everything. I'll say pad 1 is tools. Hit submit. I'll say pad 2 is outlet. Pad 3 is solder tip cleaner, or soldering iron cleaner. And pad 4 is Instamorph. So now that I've uploaded it, the Raspberry Pi is keeping track of the weights on it, and let's see what happens if I take this off the pad so that it's empty. Now it takes around 15 seconds to register. I put in a little time delay there because in the actual use of the product, it's going to be a bigger time delay, and that allows the user to take a product off of the pad, use it, and gives them enough time to put it back on without it registering as empty. So now let's check back the grocery list, see if it updated. And as you can see, it now on the grocery list it shows soldering iron cleaner, which is the thing that I just took off the pad, and that pad is empty. So that's how the mechanism works. I could also remove items from the grocery list once I've replenished my stock. And I guess I'll show right now if you take off this Instamorph. So I'll show that, if you use it, whatever, you put it back on, it's not going to register that it's empty because there's a time delay. So see if I check the grocery list, it's still empty, and it will be. So yeah, that's my project. Thank you for watching.